Welcome. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix account error issue on your Facebook ad account. Okay. Now, if you've seen something like this, account error, okay, you will notice that you will not be able to run ad again. Or if you are already running ad and your account starts showing account error, then your ad will stop. Okay. Then also the previous ads that you've run, okay, will not show. The results will not show because of this account error. So basically this account error is caused by two major things. Now, if you are owing Facebook for a long period of time, especially for those that use postpaid Facebook account. Postpaid means you actually pay. Okay, you pay after your ad is completed. Okay, so why prepaid means you fund your ad account before you pay for your before you run your ad. Okay, now for those of you that are using postpaid and you are owing Facebook, it means after a long period of time you will start seeing something like account error. Okay, now for those of you that are not owing Facebook but you have a prepaid Facebook account and you are seeing this and you are confused, the simple reason is because you have not funded your Facebook ad account. Okay, there is no money in your prepaid wallet. So in order to fix this, you just simply add a little money into your prepaid account. Okay, so that is what I want to do now. I'll go to my billing, okay, and I will add some fund to my prepaid ad account. Then the account error will disappear. Right, so let's hold on for it to load. As you can see, there is no money in my prepaid balance, so I have to add fund. Okay, I will click on add fund. So now I'll just add as low as 500 naira. Okay, let me add 500 naira. Now I will pay with my naira payment. Okay, I will pay with my naira payment. I'll click on continue. Okay, okay, so I will add my I have to add my card details. Okay, let me do that. I want to add my card details. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I will have to pause this tutorial so that I don't want my card details to show. So I will pause it, and after adding my card details, I will continue. Okay, so this is how it goes. After adding my card details, I'll click on pay. Okay, so after I've done that, I will continue this recording. Okay, so I have added my card details, so it's going to process and I'm going to receive a code. I will receive a code to complete an OTP one-time password. Okay, I'm waiting for an OTP to come into my phone. Okay, I've received the code, so let me enter my code, one-time notification. Alright, I'll click on confirm. transaction was successful. Click on continue, or it will redirect by itself. Okay, can you see I've added the fund successfully? All right, click on done, and this will reload. You can see I have 500 naira here. I funded my prepaid. So let me go back to my ad manager and see if the add error account error will be there. Let's see if the account error will be there. Can you see it's no longer there? It has disappeared. The account error has disappeared. So you see, this is the reason why my ad was showing account error. Okay, and if I try to run ad with that notification, it will not go through. All right, so you can see that the account error has disappeared, and if I try to set up an ad, it will definitely go through. So this is how you can fix account error on your Facebook ad account. Now if you are using a postpaid account, that is an account whereby you pay after your ad is completed, okay, then you have to pay the money you are owing Facebook and the other account and then the account error will disappear. All right, so this is how you can fix account error issue. Thank you.